Hello everyone, this is Sulakshy Beniwal from class 9D, and today I'm going to do a really simple experiment related to density. Though this one's looking quite complicated, but that's not it. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, take any glass container. Pour in some water mixed with food color. Just to make it visible. Pour in any syrup denser than water. Then add in some vegetable oil. Leave it for 15 minutes so that its components get completely separated. After that, drop in an iron nail into this mixture. It is really dense and hence will sink to the very bottom. After that, I dropped a plastic pin which sunk under the water but floated over the syrup, followed by a slice of guava, and at last a piece of sponge. And this is what the final product looks like. Oh, wait, but I forgot to tell you how all this happened.
और 50 रुपया कट ओवर एक्टिंग.
So actually, the oil is less dense than water and the water is less dense than the syrup. This is the one and only reason that the oil is floating over the water and the water on the syrup. The denser the liquid, the more buoyant force it applies to keep the dropped object float. When the iron nail was dropped, it sunk to the bottom because none of the liquids present in this mixture have the density to make this dense iron nail float. Then comes the plastic pin, which is less dense than the iron nail, and the syrup has the capability to make it float on it, but the water and oil are not that dense and cannot do so. Similarly, the water has the ability to keep the piece of guava, which is less dense than the iron nail and plastic pin, floating on it, but oil does not. Hence, the piece of guava floats over the water but sinks under the oil. And at last comes the piece of sponge. Even oil can make it float on it. So, the piece of sponge is the least dense of the four. So that was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching.